Mix toothpaste with pepper. You'll get rid of that annoying problem right away. Someone really clever must have come up with this. Start by getting a small bowl. Squeeze in a bit of toothpaste, preferably a menthol one since menthol is an irritant. Add 1 tablespoon of ground black pepper. Pepper contains piperine, which boosts the effect of the toothpaste. Add 1 teaspoon of water to the mixture. This is very important. Mix everything well until you get a smooth paste. Now, in a second container, prepare about 500 milliliters of water and add the prepared paste. Stir thoroughly again. Before moving to the next step, strain the liquid through a gauze-lined sieve to remove any bits and clumps. Pour the liquid into a spray bottle. Spray it on all the places where rodents tend to appear. This combination acts as a natural scent barrier that effectively repels mice and other rodents. Plus, it's an inexpensive and safe way to get rid of that annoying problem.